Iodide ions can be oxidised to iodine using oxidising agents such as iodate 5 ions, IO3 with a 1- charge, and concentrated sulfuric acid. State in terms of electrons the meaning of the term oxidising agent. So remembering that you've probably know the mnemonic oil rig, which is oxidation is loss, but that's oxidation. The oxidising agent causes the loss. It is the agent of oxidation. So if it causes the loss, it does so by accepting electrons. So we're going to say an electron acceptor. In acidic solution, IO3- ions are oxidised to oxidise iodide ions to iodine, and it's given as an equation. It says give half equations for the oxidation of iodide ions. So iodide ions we know are I-, iodine we know is I2. The rules say balance the element first, so 2 there, and then balance the charge with 2 electrons. And then we want to do the reduction process, which would be the iodate ions going to iodine. So again, balance the iodides, so the iodines with the 2. Now we're going to add water to balance the oxygens. So we've got 6 oxygens now on the left, so we're going to add 6 waters to the right. Then we're going to balance the hydrogens with acid. So we've got 12 hydrogens, so we're going to add 12 hydrogen ions. And now we're going to balance the charge. There's no charge on the right, and there is 12 positives and 2 negatives, so we're going to need 10 electrons on the left. When iodide ions are oxidised using concentrated sulfuric acid, that's H2SO4, sulfur dioxide, a yellow solid, well, our yellow solid is sulfur, and our foul-smelling gas is H2S, are all formed. Give an equation to show the reaction between iodide ions, I-, and sulfuric acid to form the yellow solid S. And then it says identify the foul-smelling gas, which we've already done, H2S. So this is a redox equation, so it might be worth just taking a minute and doing some working out, some half equations. So we know our H2SO4 is going to our yellow solid, which is S. So the sulfur's already balanced. We're going to add 4 waters to balance the oxygens, 6 H pluses to balance the hydrogens, and 6 electrons to balance the charge. And then if we do the I- ions, they're going to get oxidised to iodine, just like we wrote above. And now we have to combine those. And to combine those, we're going to times the iodide half equation by 3. So we're going to end up with H2SO4 and 6 H pluses and 6 I minuses are going to form sulfur, 3 iodines and 4 waters. And that would be our overall equation.